What's one of the biggest mistakes that you see a homeowner, a management company make when they first try and work with an influencer?
People get excited by seeing the size of the following, and just assuming that because this person has 150,000 followers, and that you create a deal with them where they're going to post one photo from your home, that you're going to get 10% of that followers in return. Like that, this one small little experience and this small in return deliverable is going to max the exposure and the experience. Having a social media presence, if not just a beautifully aesthetic page, that when you do work with someone who is a larger influencer and they bring the eyeballs to your page, that your page is aesthetically pleasing, that they're like, man, I want to follow this and keep tabs because I want to stay at this home.